Ingredients required for preparing the iced tea: we have some ice cubes, tea, make sure you use some good quality tea, lemon juice, sugar and some mint leaves. So let's start preparing it. So here I have some water boiling, which is about a cup. I am going to add sugar to my taste, mint leaves. So as my mint leaves is somewhat drying, I am adding to this, but if you are having fresh mint leaves, you may add to the tea when you are preparing. So I am going to add some tea to it. So we are going to let it boil for about 5 to 6 seconds, and then we are going to strain it right away and then prepare the iced tea. So let's mix it once. So it is coming to the rise. So now we are going to switch off the flame and let's strain it. So it's piping hot right now. We are going to keep it in the freezer for about 2 minutes just to make sure it's a little bit cool. I prepare my iced tea with hot concentrate, that is hot liquid and not cold one. So I'm going to keep it in the freezer for about just 2 minutes and then bring it out. So as I said earlier, I prepare my iced tea with the hot liquid and not cold one. I'm going to add first of all the ice cubes to the glass. I like my iced tea in a medium sized glass, not a big one, not a small one. So I'll fill the glass somewhat, 3/4 cup. This much will be fine. Now I'm going to add the lemon juice. This is from 1 lemon and the lemon wedge that I have. So this is a small lemon wedge, and now I'm going to just top it off with my concentrate. You may also add some mint leaves, but that's totally optional. So thank you for watching.